Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I discuss the physiology questions for BSc Nursing 2020. So in the previous video I discussed the bone and pancreas, and in this video I always cover the ovary, blood and heart. Three topics cover in this video. So let's start the video. First is functions of ovary. Function of ovary. Ovary is the primary reproductive organ. The primary reproductive organ are the ovary in the female. Female primary reproductive organ are ovary, and the ovaries produce the egg cells called ova, here oocytes. The oocytes are then transported to the fallopian tube where fertilized egg then move to the uterus where the uterine lining has thickened in response to the normal hormone of the reproductive cycle. In the primary reproductive organ are ovary, and ovary produce ova. When ova fused with sperm, the fused with sperm and form zygotes, then zygote into the fallopian tube and move to the uterus. Then many hormone are active to reproductive cycle. And in second is in females, the main sex hormone are estrogen and progesterone. The reproduction of these hormones mainly occur in ovaries, adrenal gland, and during pregnancy, the placenta. The second functions is the secret hormone. They protect eggs, and female is born with, and they release egg for possible fertilization. Function of ovary. The primary reproductive organ ovary, and ovary produce ova. When the ova fused with sperm and form zygote, and zygote move to the fallopian tube and move fallopian tube and move to egg, then move to the uterus. Then after female, two main sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone, and both hormones are protect egg for a female is born, and they release egg for possible fertilization. Second function is blood. So let's start function of blood. First is nutritive functions. Actually, blood help in nutritive, respiratory, excretory, transport, protection, hemostatics, maintain of our body temperature, storage functions. So etc. So first functions is nutritive functions. Blood carry the nutritive substance like glucose, amino acid, vitamin, electrolyte, etc. And second functions is respiratory functions. Blood pick up oxygen from the lungs and deliver to the various tissue, and it also carry away CO2 from the tissue to the lungs. First is nutritive functions. Blood carry the nutritive substance like glucose, amino acid, vitamin, electrolyte. And second is respiratory functions. Pick up oxygen from the lungs and carry away CO2 from the tissue to the lungs. Third is excretory functions. Blood transport various metabolic waste products such as urea, uric acid and creatine to the excretory organ, just like kidney, skin, intestine and lungs. Fourth is transport functions. The hormone and enzyme are transported by the blood to the target tissue. To the metabolic process, hormone and enzyme transport to the blood, hormone and enzyme transport by blood to the target tissue for metabolic process. Fifth is protective functions. Neutrophil and monocyte protect the microorganism entering the body, lymphocytes and gamma granules, innate immune responses. Protective functions. Blood blood contain neutrophils and monocytes, and neutrophils and monocytes protect the body for microorganisms. And sixth is hemostatic functions. Blood maintain the internal environment of the body. Blood maintain internal environment of body. Blood maintain water and electrolyte balance of the body. Maintain environment, internal environment, and maintain water and electrolyte balance. Seventh is maintain the body temperature. Blood play an important role play in the regulate of the body temperature. Eighth is storage functions. Blood store ready-made source substance such as glucose, water, protein, and electrolyte for use in emergency condition like starvation, fluid loss, and electrolyte loss. Bloods help the starvation, fluid loss, and electrolyte loss. So eight functions of blood. Eight is the main important function of blood. And last is heart. Function of heart is a muscular organ. Its side in the chest. Heart side in the chest. Functions. So heart pump blood around the body. Heart pump around the body. And the second is the heart carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs and supply oxygenated blood to the body. Heart carry deoxygenated blood and supply oxygenated blood to the body. Second functions is the heart contain four chambers, two arteria, upper chambers, and two ventricles, lower chambers. Arteria or ventricles, blood flow in one direction toward your heart. Artery ventricles, blood flow in only one direction. Second functions is it maintain adequate blood pressure throughout the body. Heart maintain adequate blood pressure in the body. And last is the very important functions. The heart has four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricles, left ventricles. The heart has four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricles, left ventricles. Four chambers. The right atrium receive blood from the vein and pump to the right ventricles. Right atrium receive blood from the vein and pump to the right ventricles, and right ventricles receive blood from the right atrium and pump it to the lungs where it is loaded with oxygen. And the last, the left atrium received oxygenated blood from the lungs and pump it to the left ventricles. Mainly, the right atrium received blood from the vein and pumped to the right ventricles, and right ventricles pump to the lungs. Right ventricles receive blood from the left atrium and pump to the lungs where oxygen is loaded. The left atrium received oxygenated blood. Lungs give oxygenated blood from the left atrium and pump to the left ventricles. So it is functions of heart, and in this next video I will cover the difference between sympathetic nerve, parasympathetic nerves, arteries when in these topics. So I hope you understand this video properly. If you understand this video, you can subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching and keep studying.